How to add someone to your LA Fitness membership. You can add someone via family add-ons, guest passes, or promotions. Look for discounts and employer benefits. Family add-on. Add a family member at a reduced rate, usually around $26.99 biweekly instead of $39.99. An ultimate membership might be required. Guest passes. Most memberships include guest passes, allowing occasional visits with you. Promotions and discounts. Look for deals during holidays or negotiate to lower initiation fees. Insurance and employer discounts. Check if your insurance or employer offers gym membership discounts. Employees may help lower fees or offer referral discounts. Explore these options to save on adding someone to your membership. That's it. Thanks for watching.